So the next thing you want to look at is you want to look at the overall bodywork condition. You want to look at things like around the windscreen, see if you've got any bubbling. I've got a little split screen windscreen with this roof thing. This doesn't match the colours. It might show on camera that they match. If you look at that to that, this is slightly darker green than the body. It's very close, but there is a slight difference. You want to look at things like around the bottom of the doors. So you can see along there, they normally start going along here. I've obviously got the trafficators which do work, and I don't have any extra indicators. So you want to look at around the tyres. See how old the tyres are. These tyres on the back are getting quite old now. And these are the old style tyres. So moving around to the back. Also, they anywhere where they can catch mud. So they can catch mud around here. That is not in bad condition. There's a slight scratch there. That will probably come off. It's not very clean at the moment. I should have cleaned it before the start of this video. You've got the chrome work across the back here. You've also got the Morris badge. They sometimes start to go around the bottoms of the bump of the boot lid. Also the same around the other side. They sometimes start to go around here. Also around the bottoms of the doors. Also get the door and close it. That was quite hard. See what the door gaps are like. So you got from the top to the bottom. Now obviously mine could do with adjusting slightly. Now I do have a little scratch down here. Now this was down to when the door opens, it was touching this, which I've now sorted. Obviously I've got to sort out the paintwork. Then you've got around the wing here and the tyre. Next thing you want to check is check like in the wheel arches. Don't be ashamed to poke about. So even get a screwdriver. If the owner's looking at you like, what on earth are you doing? Then, so another common place, a really common place for them to go, let's just get my camera in here, is around the rear spring hanger. Also, don't be ashamed just to get the camera under the car like that. Or even, sorry about this everyone, even just go under the car. So you can probably see under here. So you've got the rear prop shaft. That doesn't look in bad condition. You've got that exhaust pipe. That cross member, they sometimes go there. That's in very good condition in fact. You've got to remember this car's nearly 70 years old. Also, while you're around here, look at things like the brake pipes. So I'm just going to pop out from under here. The next thing to look at is the engine bay. So you got the wiring. Have a look at the wiring. Has it been bodged about with? Has it got pieces hanging off here, there and everywhere? Next thing to look at is the coil. Does it look in good condition? You've got the leads, spark plugs, radiator. Take the cap off. If that cap's full of gunk and water, your head gasket's knackered. not a walk away, but obviously ask for a big discount. Now you got the engine there, you got the spark plugs. Look for oil leaks. So down here I do have one small oil leak, and when I mean small, I mean it's not that big. I don't expect you can even see it. It's coming from this pipe, so that's what tells the oil pressure gauge to work. Also check your radiator hoses. You got one here, you got one at the bottom. If you're going to have a look at another type of car, familiarise yourself with where everything is. Look at the chrome work across the front. I can't remember if I said that. Just look at the chrome work all around the car. Now we need to go to the interior. Do the window winders work? It's not a big deal if they don't, because you can always buy new. Look at the interior. Feel the seats. Are they down to the springs? Are they going to knacker your back? Check under Morris's, they've got brake fluid under here. Pull up the carpet. Now I can't do it very well with the camera, but check the floors. If that needs a lot of welding, it could cost you a lot of money. Also the brake fluid reservoirs under there, and the gearbox reservoirs under the tunnel there. The next thing to do is to take it for a good long test drive. Now, on the test drive you probably want to go up to 50 miles an hour in a car like this. Probably want to go for a test drive for maybe 10 or 15 minutes. So that's the end of today's video. What we'll do in next week's episode is we will take her for a test drive and we will see. Now this car is not up for sale, before anyone asks. It is my pride and joy at the moment, and it is a beautiful car. Thank you.